This is a quick unboxing and quick tutorial of our Hydra 5000S Plus. You'll see here on the back of the box there's a burn chart. You'll see that it burns almost all the way flat all the way across. You almost get your 5,000 lumens from the start to the end of your burn time. You have to watch some other products on the market, some other lights on the market. You'll get your 5,000 lumens for the first 5 or 10 minutes, but it could be up to 50% or less the amount of light after 10 minutes. There's a yellow sheet that comes in here. This just gives you a rundown of each mode the light does, some basic care tips. We definitely do recommend reading this. There's some good information in there. So you've got a hard-sided padded carry case here. You've got your charger, power cord, light. In the bag here, this is a battery cap. You can put it on your put on top of your battery terminals if you're traveling and the battery isn't inside the light. Got a lanyard, a couple decals. This is the ball mount. Does come with a YS mount pre-installed. You can take that off and use the ball mount if you like. Spare O-rings and an Allen key to take off the switch the mounts. And then of course your instruction manual. So this is the light here. All of our lights are shipped with the batteries installed upside down. So to use the light, you'll have to take the battery, flip it right side up. There is a charging port too, so when you are ready to charge the light, you just plug this charger directly into the battery. Battery is removable. The light does have a double O-ring seal. The light head itself is also water resistant, so if you do manage to flood the light, if you remove the water and rinse it with fresh water immediately, this should be fine. Your battery is going to be toast, but where all the electronics are will be safe. If you leave it full of salt water though, that's your own problem. That's going to rot out and rust inside there. But if you get it out and rinse it in fresh water right away, you'll be fine. Alright, so the way this light works is you take both buttons, press them at the same time until the battery level indicator lights up. Once it's lit, it means it's unlocked, it's ready to be used. Just press the left button once, and you'll see it turns on with 100% flood. Now the right button will adjust the intensity. The left button controls the mode. So now you're in a spot beam, red, UV, flood, spot, red, UV. And you can use the intensity adjustment in each mode also. Now you can put the light to sleep. So if you're using it in spot beam and you want to put it to sleep and quickly be able to turn it back on, just press and hold the left button. When you turn it back on and bring it out of sleep mode, it'll turn on in the same power level as it was in before you put it to sleep. Now if we go back to flood mode here, you can also put the light into burst mode. To do that, you press and hold the right button. You can see now it's just a dim focus light and the battery level indicator is rapidly flashing. If you use the burst port here, takes a standard CNC style CNC style fiber optic cable, plug it in there, and you link it to your camera with that cable. When your camera flashes, this light will burst at 7,000 lumens. You can also use each mode. You can have it strobe in red or spot or flood. So you just use the mode button to switch to the options. To take it out of strobe mode, just press and hold. You'll see this stopped flashing rapidly. It's now solid and you're back to 100% flood. To turn it off, you can just press both buttons down at the same time. There you go.